Are you making lunch?
No, I'm going to juggle. I want to practice.
You can't juggle those.
Why not?
Because they'll break.
Well, what can I juggle?
Something that won't break and something ideally we don't eat.
Oh. Socks. They're not going to break, right? See? Hi, everybody. This is Miss Stephanie from Bindlestiff Circus After School. I teach in Hudson and Chatham, New York with Miss Amy and Miss Nakira. And since we're at home on break and we don't have access to our circus props, we're going to juggle socks today. I suggest that you use socks that you wear. So if you have small feet, you probably have small hands and your socks will be smaller. And if you're a bigger person, you probably have bigger socks. Roll them up as tightly as you can. And I'm using 3 different colors so that I can watch the patterns that they make as I toss them. Let's start with one sock going from hand to hand. We want to make a nice arc from one hand to the other. Keep your hands open and wide and about waist level. Whoops. And watch the top of the arc as you throw the sock. Don't reach up to catch the sock because that actually shortens the amount of time you have before you have to worry about catching it. So keep your hands low and let the sock go high. And add a clap in there if you want to. You can also try other little fidgets that we've worked on together, like you can scoop one arm under, toss the sock over, and bring that first hand over to catch it. So the straight arm, toss, bring the other arm under, toss, and catch it in the extended hand. Extend, pass under, toss, catch. I want to show you something else that you can try at home, which is really fun and gives you a chance to stretch out and relax a little bit. This whole virus thing's a little stressful for a lot of us. So laying back on the floor, put your hands up at about shoulder height, and you're going to pop the sock straight up in the air. It's going to be over your face, but you don't have to worry because it's just socks. Hopefully they're clean. And just practice tossing it from one hand to another, trying to keep it in your space so that you can reach it. And then if you get comfortable doing that, you can add a second pair of socks, and we're going to do toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. I'm really trying to think about keeping my hand flat like a platform and push the socks straight up rather than throw it. I don't want to twist my wrist forward and end up throwing the socks across the room. I'm just popping them straight up over me. I'm going to practice that for a bit. Then, if you get comfortable with that, you can add a third pair of socks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The cool thing about socks is that they don't roll too far when you drop them. So try that at home and let me know how it goes. You can send a little video of yourself practicing to youth programs at bindlestiff.org, and we'll post them on this private YouTube channel so that other kids from our Circus After School programs in New York City and parts of Columbia County can see you. And if you practice this with your family or teach another member of your family how to juggle, post that too. We'll see you soon.